It's Saturday and we're just walking by the beach. Coco's not allowed on this beach. She's not happy. We have to find different beaches for Coco. As you can see, that's not a happy doggy because she can't go down there. Spot for Coco, she's hiding. So, it's getting there. I spent all morning doing this. Decorating the gazebo. Yeah, it does look like we're about to have a wedding, but we're not. It's nice. You, we got decking paint on them yesterday. You did. Even the sea couldn't wash it off. No. Oh, you're going to make me play this game all day, aren't you? Yes, you like feet cuddles, don't you? Oh, no.
Having a look.
Go sit on the ledge instead.
Oh,
wow. Wow.
Look at that, man.
Big style mash up. Gosh. Yes, that's what you've been sitting on, sweetheart. Don't go in it.
Yeah. Coco, please don't try and walk on there. I'm glad you're recording this with posterity because I haven't taken any pictures of the before and after.
Hey there, you don't need to come down this bit, do you? Come on, why do you go sit on that? Sit on your little mat. Go on, sit on your little carpet. So we uncovered the path all the way up to the patio, and I believe it goes on further. Obviously took up all the pallets, as you can see. So this area's next. Job for another day though. We've had enough today. Time to rest.
About 8 hours, pretty much non-stop apart from the eating.
Managed to salvage about 3 pallets, the rest good for nothing. So burning. It's all done, and that area's all done. Hiding now. I can see you. Don't come any closer. Ready, go! Fresh seaweed coming to a plate near you. Excuse me. Walked up a sand dune, and this is what we found. Oh, here we are. Interesting. Now that is what we don't like to see. Litter on the beach. Not good. Not necessary. Really not. Is it? Well, Coco, I can honestly say I've never seen so much green seaweed in my life. Yeah, look at it. Green seaweed everywhere. You don't care, do you? You just want your ball. Go on. I don't even know what that is. There's lots of these on the beach. I didn't touch it. Looks like fish, but I don't know what it is. Nope, I can hear it. So, we've walked further than we've ever walked on this side before, and there's a really unusual smell. It's got that kind of nail varnish remover smell to it, which can't be good. So we're probably going to use Heiserkite to have a walk back. I don't know what it is, but actually if you look that way at Tartar's pumping out some stuff. There's a smoke coming out of the chimney, but it's not that end of the beach where you smell it. It's this end. And I think if we were to walk a bit further, we was almost in Swansea Bay. I reckon over there, right there, is Swansea Bay. I'm sure that's the bridge. Or maybe not, but I reckon that's Swansea. Wow. So, loads of green seaweed before you get to the sea. Masses of it! Wow. A bit crazy down here. Really crazy. In fact, there's only us here. Just me, Coco and the seagulls. I'm not sure I like it. I don't think we'll go in this sea. Coco, I think the sea might not be very nice. I think we'll go back up that way. Nearer to the Tartar Steel, which is better sea. Yeah. Yeah. Is that our stuff? Yes, it is. Cheers. I'm now drinking a lovely orange and strawberry homemade margarita. And after a day of working hard on the garden project, why not? Cheers. Oh, delicious. Give me more. So great. Wow. And I'm loving these. Obviously I had no idea what for some reason, because of the colour, I thought they were going to be the white I don't like, the warm white.
Oh, yeah.
But they're cool white, which is perfect, because obviously the lights are cool
ones,
white. Because I always prefer the cool whites, because they shine, they do their job, as it were. The warm whites are just a bit too wussy for me.
You've got my feet in the way.
Yeah.